Hello students, here I am bringing you your English grammar lesson. I hope and pray that you are all well and safe. I also hope that you are studying very hard and keeping up with your lessons. Just to remind you, we are still studying the 8 parts of speech and we have learned the definitions and some examples of all of them. Do you remember each one of them? Let us see. Here we go together. Nouns are naming words. Pronouns are words used in place of nouns. Adjectives are describing words. Verbs are action or doing words. Adverbs are words that add to the meanings of verbs. Prepositions are words that show relation of nouns or pronouns to other words in sentences. Conjunctions are joining words. They join two words or sentences together. Interjections are words that express sudden feelings. Wasn't that easy? In today's lesson, I will be showing you how to do exercise B, which is on page 10. Just as you have done exercise A on page 9, on 2 pages facing each other, do the same way with this exercise. Let us read the question. Find the adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections in the sentences given below. Write them in the correct columns. Here, it did not ask us to find verbs or nouns or pronouns. Find the adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. There is no mention of nouns. There is no mention of pronouns. So let us see what are the sentences. I have written here 5 of them. Number 1, bravo, well hit. Number 2, he does his work regularly. Number 3, Mrs. Jane drinks tea in a red cup. Number 4, wow, this dress looks great. Number 5, my mother quickly baked a cake for me. Let us see bravo, well hit. Number 1. So bravo is with an exclamation mark there, so it is an interjection. Well hit, so well. Well is a word that can be used as an adjective and as an adverb. It depends on its function in a sentence. Here, it is used to magnify the word hit, that is a verb, so it works as an adverb. If it modifies a noun, it is an adjective. But right here, it modifies a verb. So it is an adverb. Number 2, he does his work regularly. He, pronoun, does, verb, his, another pronoun, work, noun, regularly. So regularly is an adverb. Number 3, Mrs. Jane drinks tea in a red cup. Mrs. Jane is a noun, drinks is a verb, tea is another noun, in is a preposition, a and red are adjectives, cup is another noun. Wow, this dress looks great. Number 4, wow is with an exclamation mark there, it is another interjection. This is a word that demonstrates the noun dress, so it is an adjective. Looks is a verb, great is another adjective. So here we have wow as the interjection. Number 5, my mother quickly baked a cake for me. My is possessive adjective. Mother is a noun. Quickly is an adverb. It shows how an action is done. Baked is a verb, a is an adjective, cake is a noun, for is a preposition, me is a pronoun. So now after breaking it, this is how the exercise will look. You need to write down exercise B, page number 10 with the date there. After that, on one page, you copy down all the sentences. On the opposite page, please make it into 4 columns with adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions on the top and interjections. Now write down well in adverb, bravo in interjections. On the adverbs for number 2, you have regularly, the rest is cross. On number 3, you have in on the preposition. Number 4, you have wow under interjection. Number 5, you have quickly under adverbs, for on the prepositions. In this way, do the rest of the exercise. I know you may need a little more practice with this, but don't lose hope. Practice well, read the definitions when you are in doubt, and complete the exercise. As we close this chapter, let me tell you something about it. It is crucial that you learn and revise it time to time, as it is an important chapter in English grammar. You can say that it is the backbone of English grammar. Do you remember at the very start of this chapter, I told you that there are thousands and thousands, if not millions, of words in English? And I also assured you not to be worried or to be scared, because all these words will fit into these 8 cabinets called parts of speech. So let us see how neatly they go in. All of them will just neatly fit into these 8 cabinets. Just one advice I would like to give you. Use your words carefully. Words are very powerful. Words can heal, words can hurt. So I will finally close this chapter with these words of advice. Be careful of the words you say, so keep them soft and sweet. You'll never know from day to day which ones you'll have to eat. Once again, be careful of the words you say, so keep them soft and sweet. You'll never know from day to day which ones you'll have to eat. Remember, students, words will help you increase your vocabulary. Words will help you learn English language. Develop your interest in this. You will find that English grammar is one of your favorite subjects. Thank you and keep smiling.